Hi, welcome to Saying Secret. Today I'd like to talk about exfoliation and the importance of it. Exfoliation is very important to have a healthy, glowing skin because it's able to remove all the dead skin cells, which enable the new skin cells to come through. It also makes the skin more perceptive to taking in all the nutrients from your moisturizer, but leave the skin looking really glow, soft, healthy. But there's such thing as over-exfoliate. So let's go through different ways of exfoliation using Sang skincare. So there's 4 ways. So we use the crystal scrub. Now crystal scrub is not to be used more than once a week. So on more of a teenager skin, or if it's active blemishes skin, you don't want to do it for too long. So 5-7 minutes max, and you want it to do it wet, which means after you cleanse the skin, hydration toner, and then you put on your crystal scrub. You use a bit of water, dissolve it, massage it on the skin. What you find, the crystal scrub is going to go dry and glue onto the dead skin, you buff it off. But you don't on younger skin blemishes, active blemishes, you want a light exfoliation. So you keep on wet it with a bit of water to stop it from going dry. And now then after 5-7 minutes, wash it off. For a more stronger exfoliation, like an effect of dermabrasion effect, you want it to go dry. Once the scrub go dry, you can keep on buff, and it will remove more dead skin cells off and leave the skin really fresh. You can go under the eye, go down the neck, decolletage, in case you can use it all over the body. So, but no more than once a week. Now, exfoliation cloth is what we recommend for every skin type after each and every time you cleanse, because it removes all the dead cells of the face, and it removes any trace of makeup for the ladies. Afterward, make sure you soak it and rinse it and hang it up to dry. Now, our mask. The mask is also a way of exfoliation, because sometimes you feel like you need something a little bit more. You want a little more exfoliation, but you don't want to be using the mask, using the exfoliation crystal scrub again. You can then use the mask, because the mask is also help to draw out the impurity, and it helps to remove a bit of dead skin, firm and tone the skin. So it's a great way of exfoliate. And last but not least is after every one of the exfoliation process we just talk about, you always finishing off with our balm. So with the SOS recovery balm essence or any of our balm, when you massage it through, you will find it able to remove any last trace of any bit of dead skin and all buff it away. So it's also a way of exfoliation. So remember, 4 ways of exfoliation, and do not over exfoliate the skin. Crystal scrub only once a week. Mask, however, you can use it as often as you like. Exfoliation cloth we recommend after each time you cleanse. And the balm, each time you apply your moisturizer, you applying your balm, look for any dry crustiness of skin, buff it out. That way you give yourself a nice clear complexion, it's very glowing, and make the skin very perceptive of taking in any nutrition that you actually put on the face. Thank you for listening.